Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tuna hand rolls. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 ounces of fresh, sushi-grade tuna, 4 sheets of crispy nori seaweed, and 1 cup of perfectly seasoned sushi rice. Don't forget a sharp knife for slicing and a small bowl of water to prevent sticking. Having everything prepped makes the rolling process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the tuna. Carefully slice your sushi-grade tuna into strips, roughly 1/4 inch thick and about 3 inches long. For the rice, ensure it's seasoned and at room temperature. Gently fluff it with a rice paddle, being careful not to mash the grains. This delicate handling preserves the rice's perfect texture, which is crucial for a great hand roll. It's time for assembly. Take 1 sheet of nori and place it shiny side down on your clean work surface. Dip your fingers in water and spread about 2 tablespoons of sushi rice thinly over the bottom left corner of the nori, forming a rough triangle. Now, lay a few strips of tuna and any other fillings, like avocado or cucumber, diagonally across the rice. This creates the perfect base for rolling. To roll, start from the bottom left corner, bringing it up and over your fillings. Continue rolling diagonally, tucking in the sides as you go to form a neat cone shape. A little water on the top corner of the nori can help seal it. Serve your freshly made tuna hand rolls immediately. They are best enjoyed right away with a side of soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some pickled ginger. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.